NGR Basic Radar. The NGR company experiments next generation radars. They plan to place some plate readers on the road and calculate speed by elapsed time between 2 points. For testing, they put 2 plate readers on the A21, one at KM42 called A21-42 and one at KM55 called A21-55. The distance between them is 30 kilometers. Find and report all cars over 130 kilometers with the plate sorted alphabetically. Timestamp is the number of milliseconds elapsed since January 1, 1970. All speed value will be truncated to integer. For example, 137.89 is 137. I'm not going to do PHP, I'm going to do, let's use JavaScript. So the first line is the scan plate count. The for loop after that is plate radar name timestamp are separated by space, which is right here, and for the output is plate speed separated by space, ordered alphabetically by plate. The constraints are 10 less than n is less than 1000. So for example, all the input right here will convert to this, and there's 4 test cases for me to solve. The first one is low density 1 ticket. The second one is low density many ticket. The third one is medium density, and the fourth one is just called test 4. So it's time to solve it.